Hello people, welcome to Shifting Gears and welcome inside the 2021 Hyundai Alcazar SUV. As you can notice, I am seated in the 6-seater variant. ये है Hyundai Alcazar का पेट्रोल सिग्नेचर O ऑटोमेटिक वेरिएंट. Hyundai Alcazar की कीमत इंडियन मार्केट में शुरू होती है फ्रॉम रुपीज 16,30,000 और जाती है ऑल द वे अप टू 20 लाख रुपीज एक्स शोरूम. ये गाड़ी क्रेटा से बड़ी है. इट इज लॉन्गर इन व्हील बेस, it is longer overall, it is taller as well, and this car obviously weighs more. This is a much bigger car, but with the petrol engine you are getting a lot more engine capacity, you are getting a lot more power and a lot more torque, and if you want you can also buy the diesel, which will bring the same diesel motor to you, but Hyundai claims that it is still reasonable enough और आपको ज्यादा पावर लॉस फील नहीं होगा. आपको ऐसे नहीं लगेगा कि वो इंजन जो है it is not adequate enough. But that is all in a separate video. Drive video हमने अलग से अपलोड कर रखा है. The exterior and interior review is in separate independent videos. इस वीडियो में हम फोकस करने वाले हैं about the back seat drive experience. काफी लोग एक 6-सीटर या 7-सीटर गाड़ी खरीद लेते हैं because A, they want more real estate on wheels, but also because they want to be driven around. So now you can notice that I am seated in the master seat of this Hyundai Alcazar, which is in the second row and behind the front passenger seat. You can notice that the front passenger seat, I have pushed it all the way forward, and this is the amount of room that is available for me as the owner, as the passenger in the second row. सबसे पहले तो check this out. This second row seat, this captain seat, I can move it forward, and this is the forward most locking position, and this is the rearward most locking position. Seat back angle की अगर बात करें तो check this out. This is the first locking position, but of course you're not really going to be seated this way, and if you want to recline it, this is the most reclined seating position. And in this position, check this out, there is fantastic room that is available for you, so you can sit cross-legged, you can stretch your legs, and you will be a happy passenger, a happy commuter in the second row of this Alcazar. Now, when I have adjusted this seat to a reasonable posture for me to be comfortable, check this out. This is the amount of thigh support which I'm getting. It is acceptable. This is the amount of headroom that is available, more than sufficient for my height. अगर आपकी height 6 feet भी है, आपके लिए यहाँ पे काफी जगह है और आपको बिल्कुल भी claustrophobic feel नहीं होगा. You will not feel too tight, you will not feel too cramped visually and physically. So this is a roomy cabin. For you to be happy and comfortable in the second row, आपको यहाँ पे AC vents दिए गए हैं. You do not get any independent fan blower speed or an independent temperature control setting for the second row, but you do get these manual sun curtains. तो अगर आप ये गाड़ी summer season में चला रहे हो और if you are being driven around in those hot sunny days, you can just pull this back up and keep the rear cabin cooler so that you can be more comfortable and you will not sweat. Another thing that you should notice is that this car gets this massive sized dual pane panoramic sunroof, adds a lot of drama जब आप पीछे बैठते हो, and it feels very nice especially if you are being driven around at night. For that extra wow factor, इस गाड़ी में आपको ambient lights भी मिल रहे हैं, and they are positioned on all 4 doors and also on the dashboard trim, so it gives that very good mood lighting kind of an effect, so you will feel like you have bought a premium car. In terms of comfort, यहाँ पे इस कैप्टन सीट पे आपको ज्यादा heavy side bolstering नहीं दी गई है, so even if you are broader, this seat will accommodate you. It will not make you feel that you are squeezed in, and the seat compound is reasonable. It is comfortable for your long journeys as well. It is not too soft, and I think it should keep you happy. Second row में आप देख सकते हो, you get this console over here. It has a storage bin, and you also have a wireless charging pad over here. So this is a very unique feature, a unique add-on in this particular segment. Usually 6-seater cars में ये space जो होती है, it is empty, but Hyundai is offering this nifty thing over here, which although takes away the versatility if you want to move from this section to the third row, but it is still a welcome addition. इस console पे आपको 2 cup holders भी दिए गए हैं, and where you rest your hand over here, you have this soft touch plastic material over here, And also on the door trim जहाँ पे आप अपना हाथ रेस्ट करते हो, you get soft touch material over there as well. So this is a comfortable place to be. If you really want to have a nap, you can recline the seat all the way back, but it is not too reclined. It is still reasonably upright, but for you to be happy, for you to be driven around on really long drives, say for example अगर आप मुंबई to गोवा ड्राइव करने के लिए ये गाड़ी इस्तेमाल करोगे, you can sleep over here and you will be happy. You will also be happy because of the NVH package of this car. गाड़ी का cabin insulation overall इतना बढ़िया है that whenever your driver is driving this car, the engine noise will not creep inside the cabin to make you, the owner, uncomfortable. आज हम इस गाड़ी का पेट्रोल वेरिएंट चला रहे हैं. It is superb in the NVH package. It doesn't allow that engine noise to creep inside the cabin until and unless you really kick down that accelerator pedal. And also we know that Hyundai's diesel range of cars are the most refined in their respective segments, so that diesel motor is also not going to be that much audible inside the cabin. So in the NVH package, you as the owner who's being chauffeur driven in this Alcazar, you will have no complaints. Now let's talk about the ride quality, which is another, brilliant aspect of this car. The car rides on 18-inch wheels. You have reasonable tire profile as well, which soaks up the bumps very well. And this car has a suspension setup which will keep you comfortable. It will not make you feel those jolts, those jerks on your body, in your back section. So you will be happy for a really long time in this car. अगर आप एकदम खराब रास्तों पे से भी इस गाड़ी को चला लेते हो, आपको काफी कम झटके फील होते हैं. And even if the driver drives over a speed breaker a little too fast, if he or she carries a little extra speed, the suspension setup is tuned in such a way that it doesn't really feel that jerky movement. You don't really feel that jerky movement, and you will really appreciate that. And if you have not experienced it, try it in another car and then try it in this Alcazar and you will know the difference. The primary reason why this Alcazar is so much more roomy in comparison to the Hyundai Creta is because the wheelbase has been extended, and that has allowed for this brilliant packaging, especially in the second row. Third row is not really all that great, thoda tight zarur hai, so do check out the interior video which we have uploaded separately, so you will get to know if you as an adult can sit there or if the third row seats are best suited for kids. इस Alcazar में ब्लू लिंक के साथ साथ आपको वॉइस कमांड्स भी दिए गए हैं, so you don't necessarily have to ask the driver to make any particular change. You can give those voice commands and it will be done. The car's system will do it for you. इस गाड़ी में आपको 8 speaker Bose sound system भी दिया गया है. Sounds fantastic and it will keep you entertained throughout your journey. And for your safety, in the top trim, you also have up to 6 airbags. So that is also a good thing. It is going to keep you and your family safe. Now, if you are considering to buy a 6 or a 7-seater, of course you have a bigger family, maybe, or you are planning to have kids, and this car in the second row has ISOFIX mounts on both the seats, so that is going to allow you to mount your child seat and keep your child secure when you are driving. Another party trick of this Alcazar SUV is this parcel tray section over here. You also have a cup holder along with it, so you can have your beverages placed over here nicely tucked in so that you can very easily access it. यहाँ पे आप लैपटॉप नहीं रख पाओगे. You can maybe keep your tablets or you can maybe keep your smartphone positioned over here. If at all you want to watch something on the go, this is very useful, very nifty. And you can also, keep your tablets over here or use this space to have some snack when you are going out for a long drive. So this is also going to be appreciated by you, your family or your friends. And in terms of storage, the Alcazar is super versatile. आपको seat back pocket दिया गया है. आपको इस parcel tray के ऊपर एक net section दिया गया है. You have a storage point under the central AC vents for the second row. You have a storage point over here. You have your smartphone storage point here. You have 2 cup holders. You have 2 bottle holders on the door trims, and you have more space beyond those bottle holders on those door trims. So you can carry a lot of stuff in this Alcazar apart from that extra seat that you get and that extra space you get for luggage as well. So guys, let me know what do you think about this Hyundai Alcazar if you are planning to buy this. Is this the seat where you want to be? क्या आप ये गाड़ी अपने chauffeur driven requirements के लिए खरीदने वाले हो? Do you think the space that you can see right now is enough for you? Is this going to keep you happy in your day-to-day life if you are going to commute to office in this car every day? Because it matters. This is going to be the seat where you will spend a lot of time, and that really matters. गुड बाय. सब्सक्राइब टू द शिफ्टिंग गेस्ट चैनल. अगर आपके इस गाड़ी के बारे में और कोई क्वेरीज हैं, डू आस्क मी. आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू आउट. Always guys, wear your seat belts even if you are not in the driver's seat. The seat belt is crucial and it will someday save your life. God forbid.